Where's torta and my version of banana bread. But we're here in the kitchen. My little girl is in the counters because she's helping me. She's starting the banana bread.
Mom, I can't go here.
She's gonna watch Disney
Disney
Channel at the same time. This is for my torta with 18 pieces of eggs. That's my egg white, and I'm starting already my egg yolk. We are a bit crowded here, but we can manage this. Say hi, my baby girl.
Hi.
You're my little helper. Okay, now I'm done with segregating the white egg and egg yolk. My little helper is watching zombies. I have the banana and have the bread. Here's my already put sugar. Did I put your sugar already? This is my egg white. I'm gonna put it away. We don't need that. And we don't need that now. My egg yolk. I have milk. I put milk a little bit in dye. Mommy don't measure anymore because I kind of know how. There you go. And then you can put the banana, baby girl. Okay? Put the milk away.
I forgot how to do it.
She likes watching that. How many times you watched that?
I don't know.
Like 100 times?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I can help you with that. Do the other one. I'll give you a paper towel in case you need, okay? Make sure you don't spill your mixture into your laptop. It's my little helper. Can you put the bread now? Oh, careful. Okay, it might spill into there. Can I put the bread now, baby?
No.
Here's the bread. Mush it more. The bread.
Can I add the bread now?
Yeah.
Just add the whole thing?
Just one at a time, and then you make it soften. You can do that too if you want, but make it bigger so that it's faster. She's doing that. I'm gonna start with this one. For my torta. She's almost done mixing, so that's gonna be ready soon. And then I'm gonna continue with mine.
Mix it.
Okay, give up. Okay, I'll finish it.
Do I put
Then
this
now, okay, yeah, that's my flour.
in?
Yep, sure,
All of it?
sure. Then I will finish it, and then I'll just show you the finished product. I'll be quick. Ay, di naman ane. Tigatanaw og movie. So I will finish everything, and I'll see you when we're done. And I'll see you when we have the finished product. See you. Baby girl, you ready? Can I do that now? Look at her. Look at her. We're not gonna finish this. We'll come back when it's eating time. That's my first load. Kinahawian. Arang kinahawian. Magbutang nila. Medyo not perfect, but should be okay. First batch done. And the next batch, the banana bread. Doesn't look yummy? That's my torta. Here now, guys. Gikaon na ang uban. That's my revised banana bread and my torta muffin. This torta muffin is popular in Bohol during fiesta. Okay.